Hey everybody, thanks for dropping by Designed by Kathy. Today I want to do a pour and a swipe, and it is a color combination that I chose from one of my saves on Pinterest. I think I've mentioned, or I know I've mentioned several times, I've saved a lot of color palettes on my Pinterest page, and it's Designed by Kathy, and then my art page is where I've saved all these colors. The interesting thing and the cool thing about this, a lot of it's from nature, or think pictures and things like that they've just chosen out the colors that look good together. This is actually a dress. It was a color palette from probably a prom dress or a cocktail dress or whatever. Anyway, we are going to swipe and see what we get with this beautiful color combination. So I'm really excited about it. And hey, if there's anything that you guys would like to see me do or try or dabble my toes in, just let me know. Go ahead and comment below and let me know, and we'll try to get right to that. So let me get set up and we'll get started. The colors that I'm going to be using on this 12 by 16 canvas, this is actually called Cinnamon. It's a pretty tan color. This is Crimson, maybe a little more red than what was in the picture, but it's not a bright, brilliant red, so I think it'll work. And then I've got Caribbean, the turquoise color. And then I have, this says Metallic Pure Gold. I'll be swiping with the gold when we do the swipe. I'm gonna add, I've got these mixed up already, each of them 1 part paint to 2 parts of the Floetrol. In my gold, which is gonna be my carrier for the swipe, I'm gonna put just a couple of drops of my treadmill belt oil. I'm just gonna put a couple here because we do want some various cells and whatnot to show up. And there's 2, okay. So now what I'm gonna be using this little cake decorating tool. You can also use a damp paper towel. So either one will do the same thing. I did have someone say they were afraid they would press too hard with the cake decorating tool. So, until you're comfortable with it, use the wet paper towel. This canvas, when I opened it, it had some little dimples in it, and I just sprayed it with water and they just went away like magic. So this canvas is nice and ready. Now I do want to have, and I don't know where I put them, have your paper towels, have paper towels ready because I'm going to need to clean my swiping tool off. Since I'm not just using paper towels, you do need paper towels to wipe your tool. Again, this color combo came from Pinterest, my art page on Designed by Kathy. The color combo was a dress, or the color palette was from a dress. Looked like a cocktail dress or prom dress or whichever. But it was really pretty and sparkly, and I like the gold, and I just got this metallic pure gold, so I'm very anxious to see how it looks. So what I want to do is I have my 3 basic colors here, and I'm just going to start adding them to the canvas. They're not going to need to be in any rhyme or reason. I want them to overlap as I'm putting them on here, because I want to pick up a lot of the color throughout the swipe. Oh, that was almost a disaster. I tend to be a little clumsy. I try, but sometimes it just happens. So now I'm going to take my gold, and again, this is going to be our carrier, what we're going to drag with. So I'm going to put a pretty thick little strip across here. Set that aside. Then I'm going to take my little cake decorating tool. Again, use a wet paper towel if you don't have a damp paper towel. If you don't have one of these, either one will get the job done. So just going to take it and lightly lay it over my gold, and then we're going to take a gentle swipe down. Well, a little more than that, huh? And you want to wipe it off between each swipe. Now I'm going to take my gold and come back across this end and do one more swipe up. Or do another swipe up, I should say. Same thing, we're going to swipe back this way. And go ahead and let it go over the edge. You can see cells starting to just pop up beautifully. I still didn't catch that little spot right there. Now I've got him. And I'm just letting this glide. You can see I'm not smashing down. That's why I missed that other little section along there. Whoops. I want this to go on and flow over. This made some gorgeous, gorgeous, brilliant cells. Really, really like that. Trying to dip my edge in this little little puddle over here. I want to make sure to have all my edges covered nicely. And that did not do what I wanted it to. So, since I messed up that little tiny spot right here, I'm going to take just a dab more of my gold. I'm going to take this little tool. again, your paper towel is going to do the same thing. And there we have it. Again, the photo or the palette from Pinterest, from the page, was simply to get the color palette that I wanted to use. I can't wait to see what this gold, because I can see some sparkles, little sheen to it right now as it's on here. I can't wait to see what it looks like as it dries. So those are some little spots that sucked away from the canvas. But there we have it. And I think it's very different looking. I love the sails, and I'm gonna try to get a close-up because right in here you can see the tan, but you can see how the gold just encircled the red and the tan, just perfectly beautiful. So that's all there is to it, folks. That's a pretty easy pour. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you subscribers, and I look forward to your comments. I hope you'll look back and come back next time. And again, if you have some requests, I'll try anything once if it's within my power to do. So, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'll see you guys next time.